In this episode, I bring you an extraordinary story of innovation beneath the ocean's surface. Yes, you heard that right, innovation under the sea. We embark on a groundbreaking journey to explore Microsoft's underwater data center called Project Natick. Project Natick is a fascinating research initiative by Microsoft that explores the feasibility of deploying subsea data centers powered by offshore renewable energy. Launched in 2015, the project aims to understand the benefits and challenges of underwater data centers worldwide. It investigates the reliability and practicality of these data centers while being powered by renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, tide, and wave power. The first prototype of Project Natick was deployed off the coast of California in August 2015, marking the beginning of this revolutionary exploration. The most recent phase, known as Natick Northern Isles, involved a full-scale data center module in the North Sea, positioned off the coast of the Northern Isles. This module was about the size of a 40E ISO shipping container. You might wonder why underwater. Let me explain the reasons. Firstly, the ocean provides natural cooling, significantly reducing the need for energy-intensive cooling systems. Furthermore, with the ocean covering 70% of the Earth's surface, it offers vast and efficient space for data centers. Additionally, offshore renewable energy sources can sustainably power these underwater data centers. One of the significant advantages of underwater data centers is energy efficiency. The ocean's consistent low temperatures are perfect for cooling servers, greatly improving energy efficiency. Microsoft aims to achieve a power usage effectiveness ratio of 1.07 for these underwater data centers. This means that for every unit of energy consumed by the data center, only 0.07 units are needed for cooling and other auxiliary functions. Another key benefit is rapid deployment. Submerging data centers underwater can significantly reduce the time it takes to deploy new infrastructure. Prefabricated data center modules can be quickly deployed and connected underwater. The rapid deployment process ensures that these underwater data centers can be up and running in a fraction of the time it takes for traditional land-based data centers. To protect servers from the corrosive effects of seawater, they are housed in sealed containers filled with nitrogen. This ensures the longevity of the hardware and minimizes the risk of hardware failure. The innovative use of sealed containers filled with nitrogen ensures the integrity and reliability of the servers, even in the harsh underwater environment. Project Natick has also proven its reliability. Servers in the Natick Northern Isles had a failure rate only 1/8 that of land-based control groups. This impressive reliability means fewer disruptions and a more stable data infrastructure. These data centers are not just efficient and reliable, they are also environmentally conscious. The materials used in the data center are designed to be environmentally friendly and are meant to degrade over time, leaving minimal impact on the ocean environment once the data center reaches the end of its operational life. Microsoft is committed to restoring the seabed to its original state after deployment. Underwater data centers have potential applications that could revolutionize cloud infrastructure. By siting data centers near coastal cities, data would have a shorter distance to travel, which leads to faster and smoother web surfing and video streaming. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Project Natick even supported research efforts through platforms like Folding a Home and World Community Grid. Despite the challenges such as maintenance and repair in the harsh underwater environment, the future prospects of underwater data centers are promising. With ongoing research and innovation, these data centers could fundamentally change the way we approach data infrastructure, leading to a more sustainable and connected future. From environmental sustainability to cutting-edge technology, Microsoft's underwater data center represents a bold step into the future of data infrastructure. Before you go, I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you think underwater data centers will shape the future of technology? Share your ideas in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more fascinating content.